Great.
Hello, I'm Dr. Purvin. I'm from Rainforest Med Spa. And as you see, we're just hanging, chilling. And here's Tiffany. And she wants to do a little bit of nose lift today. We're going to take her nose and lift it like that. We're going to grab a little crane. We're going to pull it back and open up her nose. No, but we're not going to do that. We're going to inject it and do this with Botox today. Okay, so it's just a little bit of Botox, but it has to be placed properly. And back, relax. And we're going to wipe her down. And we love Tiffany. And we're going to inject her slowly. Okay, and that's the nose lift. And this is the needle, and this is your little present. No, we're gonna put it in our little sharps container, dispose of everything, and we'll be back again for our next lesson.